Welcome to Kurious Brain. In this episode, we are going to see about the accidental discovery of antibiotics. Let us go back in time to 1928 in London. Sir Alexander Fleming had a lab where he was working with infectious bacteria. He accidentally left a bacterial petri dish open while he was on a vacation. The windows of the lab were open at the time. The wind blew some mold or fungi which settled down on the petri dish through the open window. When he came back from vacation, he noticed that something has grown over the open bacterial petri dish. Out of curiosity, he took a sample of that particular substance and observed under the microscope. What he saw just shocked him. There was a circular area of bacterial growth inhibition around the mold. He thought that the mold must have secreted a substance that inhibited the growth of the bacteria. This mold was none other than the fungi penicillium, and hence the compound or the substance that it synthesized was called as penicillin. The discovery of penicillin was a complete stroke of luck. It took another decade of research and development to isolate and purify that compound. Then it was made available to the general public for treatment purposes. Penicillin was a life-saving drug which saved many lives, especially during the period of the Second World War. How does penicillin work? What is its mechanism of action? Penicillin binds to a specific protein of the bacterial cell wall called as penicillin binding protein or PRP, which interferes with the bacterial cell wall synthesis. This damages the external covering of the bacteria and kills the bacteria. Why does penicillin kill only the bacterial cells but not the human cells? It is because the bacterial cell has a cell wall, while a human cell does not have a cell wall. So, penicillin is highly effective in killing the bacterial cell while sparing the human cell. The accidental discovery of penicillin has opened the gateway into the field of antibiotic research. Since then, many more antibiotics have been discovered and are now available for the treatment of bacterial infections. The Great Plague, which happened centuries ago in the medieval Europe and China, had claimed millions of lives. Had antibiotics been available at the time, many millions of lives would have been saved. However, some people are allergic to penicillin. The allergy could vary between a minor rash to major or fatal reactions. To find out if you are allergic to penicillin, you can go and do a simple allergen test. Although penicillin is lethal to many species of bacteria, its overuse has led to the development of resistance in some species of bacteria. It is because the bacteria can synthesize through mutation penicillin digesting molecules which break down the penicillin, rendering it ineffective. So, the next time when you take antibiotics, exercise caution and do not overuse antibiotics. Well, I hope this segment was informative. Stay tuned for further more interesting content. Please like and subscribe to our channel for further interesting content, and we will see you in the next video.